Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to return your flat rate access course materials if you drop out of a class. It's important to follow these steps right after dropping the course. Here's how to get started. Log into your EICC Connect account and find the Bookstore tile. Then select the Academos Bookstore link. In the top right-hand corner, click the red Login button and sign in using your EICC credentials. You'll complete the two-factor authentication process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the bookstore's welcome page. Now, let's start the return process. In the top navigation bar, click on the Returns link. On the Returns page, look for the light blue box with a drop-down menu showing your order number and the date it was processed. Click the orange View Order Details button next to your order. Your course materials will appear below. If your materials are eligible for return, you'll see a checkbox under the Select Items to Return header. Check the box and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your return. If the return date has passed, don't worry. You can sell your course materials through the marketplace instead. For questions about returns, email the EICC Bookstore at bookstore@eicc.edu. Thanks for watching.